Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this very interesting Math Olympiad problem in which we have to find the value of x and we are given x cubed plus x squared equals to 36. We can write this equation as x cubed plus x squared minus 36 equals to 0. Name this equation as 1. We can rewrite this equation as x cubed plus x squared minus 27 minus 9 equals to 0. Further, this can be written as x cubed minus 3 cubed plus x squared minus 3 squared equals to 0. Now, as we know the formula of a cubed minus b cubed, which is equal to a minus b times a squared plus b squared plus ab, and a square minus b square equals to a minus b times a plus b. Now, by using this formula, we can rewrite the above equation as x minus 3 times x square plus 9 plus 3x plus x minus 3 x plus 3 equals to 0. Taking x minus 3 as common, we have x square plus 3x plus 9 plus x plus 3 equals to 0. We can further write this equation as x minus 3 times x square plus 4x plus 12 equals to 0. And from here we get x minus 3 equals to 0 and x square plus 4x plus 12 equals to 0. From here we get x equals to 3, and for this equation we will use quadratic formula, which says that if an equation is written in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, then x can be found by minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So using this quadratic formula, we get x equals to minus 4 plus minus under root 4 square minus 4 times 1 times 12 divided by 2 times 1. On further solving this, we get minus 4 plus minus under root 16 minus 48 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 4 plus minus under root minus 32 divided by 2. From here we get imaginary value of x, which is not required as per the question. So the real value of x is 3. Further, we can solve this question by another method, which is known as hit and trial method. We have x cubed plus x squared minus 36 equals to 0 from equation 1, which we have already assumed. So put x equals to 1, we get 1 cube plus 1 square minus 36 equals to 2 minus 36 equals to minus 34, which is not equal to 0. So we will use another value of x, which is 2. So 2 cube plus 2 square minus 36, we get 8 plus 4 minus 36 equals to minus 24, which is not equals to 0. So we will consider another value of x. Let's assume x equals to 3. So 3 cube plus 3 square minus 36, which is equal to 27, plus 9 minus 36 equals to 0, which is equal to the value of right hand side of the equation. Hence, we can also find the value of x using hit and trial method. So for this question, we have the value of x is 3. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.